Creating a package in Python. In this lesson we will learn how to create a package in Python. Let us first understand what a package is. A Python package is a collection of related modules put inside a directory. Suppose this is our directory. We put 3.py files inside it. And our package is ready. The name of the directory is the name of the package. Let us peek into the contents of the directory. It has 3.py files, _init _.py, SuGreetings.py and SuMathFunctions.py. Here, we have two modules, SuGreetings.py and SuMathFunctions.py. The _init _.py is used for identifying the directory as a package. In this example directory structure, the name of the package is SuPackageTest1. Now let us see how we create a package in Python. Suppose we have three related modules developed for specific purpose. We may put these three files inside a directory for creating a package. To identify the directory as a package, we also need to put another file, _init _.py. The Python interpreter recognizes a folder as a package if it contains the _init _.py file. We may also organize a large package into nested directories also. Each directory should have its own init file. Now we will create a sample package named SuPackage with two modules, SuFunctions and SuConstants. Before we code anything, let us first create the directory and files for our package. Currently we are in the package demo directory. Let us create a directory named SuPackage here. Open the SuPackage directory and create three files as shown on the screen. First, _init _.py file. Second, SuFunctions.py file. And the third one, SuConstants.py file. These three files are the actual contents of our package. And the package name is SuPackage. Now let's create another Python file, test.py. We will test our package using this Python script file. We create this file in the same directory where SuPackage directory is present. So, this is our directory structure for creating our test package. Now we will start coding. We have opened our project folder in our IDE as shown here. This is the complete path of our project. This is our package folder where the modules reside. And this is the Python script file for testing our package. Here are the three files inside the SuPackage directory. Now we will open the files one by one and write our codes. Let's begin. First, we will complete the code for SuConstants.py file. That is, the SuConstants module first. Here we are defining just two constant values max and min, just for demo purpose. Next, we will write codes for SuFunctions module as shown here. Let's define a function for calculating the factorial of a number. Let's define another function GCD for finding the greatest common divisor using Euclid's algorithm. Now let's add few more lines of code for testing this module. If you find any problem in understanding these codes, you are advised to first watch the lesson on modules. The link for that lesson is given on the I button above and in the description of this lesson. So, this is the complete code for our module SuFunctions. And this is the code for the module SuConstants. We may leave the _init _.py file blank. Coding for our sample package is complete. Now we will test this package. Let's import our modules, SuFunctions and SuConstants. Now we may use the factorial function as defined in the module, SuFunctions as shown in the print statement. That is how we can access the functions, classes, constant values, etc. from the package modules. We may also import some specific functions, class, or constants from our modules. Let's check these examples. In such cases, we are not required to add the module name as a prefix to the objects. So, we have learned how to create a package in Python. In our examples, we have accessed the package modules from the directory where the package exists. If we want to access this package from any other directory of the system, we need to install it. Installing a package will help us to access the contents of the package globally. For this purpose, we need to write another Python script as shown here. For installing a Python package, we need to first create a setup file. Here, we have created a Python script file, setup.py. We will use this file for installing the package for global use. Now we will complete the setup.py file as shown on the screen. Just follow me along while I complete it. We are passing few commonly used parameters inside the setup function. There are many other parameters which we have ignored for simplicity. This is our setup file. Now we will install the package from the command prompt. We have already copied the package demo folder in D drive. Let's type our command, python setup.py install and press enter. Our package will be installed in the current system. And yes, we have successfully installed our package in our system. Now we can use this package from anywhere in our system. Now, let's test our package by importing the modules. You are advised to watch the lesson on Python modules if you find any difficulty in understanding these codes. As we can see, our package is working fine. We have created the package in MS Windows environment. The same code will work for Mac or Linux environment also. Please remember that this is a very simple example. We may create our package with few more additional things and may create .whl or will files for uploading in the Python package index site. If you wish, I may prepare another lesson on that topic. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel for more such important lessons. Happy coding, bye!